Hey, Globetrotters! Ready to jet set without breaking the bank? I've got the ultimate travel money tips to keep your wallet smiling. Let's dive in and conquer those foreign currencies. Tip 1. Master the money method. Credit cards are cool, but not all are travel-friendly. Look for ones without sneaky foreign transaction fees. Tip 2. High five to notify. Give your bank a heads up about your travels to avoid any awkward card declined moments abroad. Tip 3. Be the card champion. Seek out credit or debit cards that don't charge for using them overseas. That's more gelato money. Tip 4. Cash is your county pilot. Stash some local currency for those charming local markets that are all about cash-only vibes. Tip 5. Slay the sneaky conversion. Don't fall for the pay-in-your-own-currency trick. Opt for the local currency to dodge a bad deal. Tip 6. ATM Jedi moves. Hack your way to lower fees by using ATMs in legit banks. And remember, fewer withdrawals, more savings. Tip 7. Time zone banking. Know when local banks snooze. You don't want to be stuck needing cash when they're catching Z's. Tip 8. Prepaid magic. Load up a prepaid travel card with your travel cash. It's like your budget superhero sidekick. Tip 9. Airport alert. Avoid those sneaky airport exchange counters. They're like money-eating monsters. Find better rates in the city. Tip 10. Fee detective. Spot any unexpected fees lurking in your transactions. We're on a mission to outsmart those pesky charges. And there you have it, your passport to savvy spending. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more travel tricks. Bon voyage, budget baller.